Hi, I'm Giella, creator of Giella Custom Blend Cosmetics, calling all makeup artists. I'm so excited to launch our Custom Blend Lip Bar course, now available online. You will learn how to make lipsticks and lip gloss. Imagine creating your own formulations and colors and even naming it. Such a fun course, so have fun mixing.